Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and this is the next episode. This is part 11 of Selva Azteca, and to be honest this series has flown by. I can't believe how quickly it's gone actually. It feels like just yesterday I was building Eruption and it's like, I can't believe how quickly it's just flown by. But lots of stuff has been happening, and you all probably know about coronavirus, and it's a bit mental. Year 11s don't have their exams now in the UK. All schools are shut, so that means probably more time for more videos. I've got 4 videos coming out, or maybe 3 coming out in the next 4 days, which is pretty mental. So today we've got Silver, obviously, and then tomorrow you will have it's like a cinematic, and then you'll have the making of that's like project on Sunday, and then Monday, if I can be asked, you'll have a Ferrari Land video. So there's what's happening in the next, how long have we got? Yeah, 4 days. But yeah, at the moment you can see me taking big breaks. That's because I was building the this is like one of the queue time screens. Because obviously in theme parks they have these boards up around the park that show you like how long different waits are for different rides. So I thought I made my own custom one in Photoshop that shows the different queue times and things. I mean, you know what a queue time board is, but yeah, I just went on Photoshop and just made this little graphic that I can put for pretty much just any of the boards and things. I just felt it would be fitting, and I wanted to make it like this was a theme park. They just have all this type of things. And then we go on to tweak some areas of the Tenochtitlan area. After I've made this other queue time border, which is like on the actual door of the entrance, which I actually make, it says like wait time, something like 55 minutes I think it is, and it just like, if you've ever been to Fantasyland you'll know that on Taron, I haven't been, but I've seen the queue time boards have this like certain look, so I went with that on most of the queues. I'm going to put that on. So yeah, normally I was going to do it so, you know, it says the names of Eruption and the minutes. I was going to make it look like it was them real pixely LEDs that Thought Park have for their boards, and make it look a bit more realistic, but it didn't look too good because they are just screens, so it kind of just looks like a TV screen, like, and it doesn't fit perfectly. But with this, I'm pretty proud of the result, and yeah, that's why there's big pauses. I've got to take these out, but never mind. I got a bit done today. In this episode, sorry. You can see I've got. You'll see later in the episode we get a bit of the Tenochtitlan area done. We start building up the foundations for the buildings. We don't put many details in, but we just get the foundation blocks and work on some of the queue line and the station building. So I've done a lot of stuff with that. In this episode, and then it'll be back to Dana next week. But now, obviously, I don't know how long I'm going to be off school, but it's seeming like it's going to be a very long time. No, I originally thought we'd come off school and it'd be like 4 weeks or something, because of the Easter break and 2 weeks off school. But now it doesn't really make sense that they'd keep you off before the peak and then put you back in school as the peak. So it feels like we're going to be off school for a very long time, which is quite scary actually. So that means plenty of time for Ferrari Land and Selva. And yeah, I'm hoping to get Ferrari Land finished within like the next 2 months, hopefully. And that seems like quite a long time for a small project, but seeing as I've got Selva going on as well and other things, that's why it's taking a bit longer than I'd hoped for. But I'm really proud of the way Ferrari Land's coming on. I'm really happy with it. And at this point, I was down with myself. I was thinking, what am I doing here? This just looks terrible. And then I realised I was using the wrong block type, and I just scrapped the door idea. So it just flows a bit better and looks a bit better, because at the moment it just looks so bad with the way the walls clipping the station is. But when it's all built up, I can see this area looking really nice. Because the station, I've made some custom audio. If you know, like the Wicker Man. When you're in the station for there, the voiceover says like, we're opening the pens, take heed. So I've used voiced over some of my own versions of them that I've put in the station and things, and got a build-up one, so when the coaster leaves the station, plays the dramatic music, and I'm going to do something with the lights, or something along them lines. But yeah, you'd think there'd be a lot to talk about, but there isn't really. I've got a big project that me and Ashley from My Curious Mind have been working on for a fair while now. It's quite exciting. I can't exactly tell you what it is just yet. You'll be able to see that pretty soon though, which is pretty exciting. And I don't know where this idea came from, but you'll see what I mean when it gets uploaded, and I hope it does quite well, because we've put a lot of effort into making this thing happen, and so that's something to be excited about for us, because we're hyped to see what you guys think of it. But right now, you can see me doing some rock work in the station. I end up deleting all this because it looks absolutely shocking. I don't know why they have this weird, the lighting's weird on these rocks. I wanted to kind of do it similar to Wicker Man, how in the station it's like twigs and things, but on the outside it's just a normal building. So I wanted to do rocks as if you were inside the volcano, but I scrapped that idea, and I'm just going to do like dark concrete type station. I don't know really what I'm going to do. It's kind of hard to work with this type of theme because I want to make it all organic and have like a cave tunnel like for the queue and things, but I can't because the rocks are too big. You know, like other things overlap, and it's just a bit difficult to do things like that in Planet Coaster. So there's lots of things I'd love to do, but I just end up not being able to do them. I'm also planning on doing a lot of live streams, seeing as I'm off school now. Let me know if you want to see some live streams. I'd like to do them. A while ago I made these stingers and things and transitions and for live streaming, but I've never got around to using them, obviously. So possibly in the next few days I'll do a live stream. Let me know if you want to see that, because that'd be quite cool, and it would be a way for you to just ask questions on the live stream if you wanted to. So look out for that. If you're on YouTube and you see, come and drop a few questions if you want. So yeah, that'll probably be in the next couple of days. And then after this I'm gonna upload quite a few videos, and then after this little section of big uploads, I'm gonna not be uploading for about 10 days, and then I'll be back to the normal schedule. It's just a bit scary, this coronavirus thing, because it was all fun and games until it started looking like it's going to be a long time before this is going to be all brushed over, because there's a lot of things I had plans this year for theme park wise, and it's all gone down the drain. I think a lot of people's plans have gone down the drain now because of coronavirus. I'm really praying that going to Energylandia in July, and I'm praying that doesn't get cancelled. But I have the feeling that it might get cancelled, but we might be able to reschedule that to a later point in the year. But other things like just going to theme parks in general won't be happening as often, because until coronavirus gets gone, we're just not going to be going to theme parks, are we? Oh god, we're nearly at the end of the video. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Look out for the live stream, like this video and subscribe, because it says on my channel that 70% aren't subscribed, so just do it. It's free and it helps me out a lot. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video.